that we can access the element values within a list. Now I'm going to show you that how we can update list. Okay, just we have these cities here. Okay, and I'm going to just print this cities, and let's save it or just remove this. Okay, now if I just print this, it will give me the all element which is within this list. Okay, right over here, imagine I'm going to change some of them, for example China to something else. Okay, so is it possible or not? Yeah, of course it is possible. Nothing is impossible. So here let's go with original value. Okay, so the original value for what? For this cities, and I'm going to just update one of this element, for example number 3. So what is the number 3? Okay, 0, 1, 2 and 3. This one is number 3. So this is gonna be the original value, okay, right now, and I'm going to change this to another city. Okay, so I'm going to just print that, but before printing that, okay, before printing, let's go and add that or update that. So how we can do that? Cities, and I'm going to update the number 3. Okay, so I'm going to just assign this to something else. I don't know, what should I add here? So let's go with Delhi. When I add this and came to print statement, and this time when I print this, let's go, it's gonna be new value. Okay, new value, and let's add the cities, and for example I'm selecting this one. And right now I will be having that, and also let me print another cities here. Okay, and see if the whole content is going to be changed or not. So here we're going to have 4 print statement. Okay, the first one will give me all these 4 elements that is here. Okay, and then it will be giving me only one, which is the third one, which is the last one. And then right over here we're changing that to Delhi, and this one will give me the new element, which is Delhi. Okay, we change that to Delhi, and then this will give me the whole thing, and this is the updated list. Okay, let me run this, and as you see right now we have an error here. So what is the error? Let's see. It is and determined string literal detected at line 1. Really? Oh yeah, at line 1. Why? Okay, we have cities, and okay, we have cities here. Okay, we have all the string, and we have a print statement that we are printing that, and right over here we don't have any kind of error here. Okay, so this is gonna be the original value for this. Okay, detected at line 1. Really? Why? I can't find the error. What is that? Okay, undetermined string. There is some kind of string or something that is not determined. Okay, so we have the cities. Okay, and the line 1. Okay, maybe this one. Let me just comment this whole thing. Okay, and then use Control S to save it and run this. So okay, here it is. So we have the cities here. Okay, we have the print statement that is not gonna work. Okay, let me just run this by using run code here, just one line, and it's working perfect. Okay, so the next one, I'm going to uncomment this and use Control S. Looks like we are running some other file or something. Okay, I'm going to run it again. Okay, still we have this one. This is giving me the original value, and I'm going to uncomment this and use Control S, and this 4-line. Okay, it's a very good way of doing debugging like this. Okay, so it's also working nice. Okay, I'm going to uncomment this one and then save it. This is going to be run once again, and still it's working nice. Okay, we have the Mumbai, Bangalore, and also this one, the original value, which is Pune, and also we have the Delhi, and we have the last one. Okay, I'm going to save it, and this time I'm going to select all of them and run them. So when I ran it, you see that this is the main one. Okay, the original value. Okay, the last one is Pony, and here also you see the original one. Okay, original value, and here we changed it to Delhi, and this one is the updated one. So Mumbai, Bangalore, China, and also Delhi. So here is how we can update a list. Okay, so the error is with something else. Okay, the error that we were having, now we don't have the error. I couldn't find that, but maybe there is some kind of unsaved error. Okay, I couldn't find that, but it is solved. Okay, to remove a list element, you can use either the del statement if you know exactly which element you're trying to delete, or if you don't know which element you're trying to delete, you can use remove method. Okay, let me give you an example. Okay, real world example. So I'm going to have this cities list. Okay, so here I'm going to print all of them and tell here telling that before deleting. Okay, this will be the cities, and then we're going to delete some of them. So let's use del and then cities, and right over here, for example, I am going to delete the third one, which is the last one. Okay, and again use another print statement, and after deleting, the cities is going to be changed to something else. Let's save it and run it. Okay, when we run this, you see something like this. Okay, so as you see, the last one is deleted. So before deleting, we have Mumbai, Bangalore, China, Pune, and after deleting, we have Mumbai and Bangalore and also the China. So it is how we can delete an element or a value from a list.